Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to travel with a wheelchair on Jetstar Airways. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the top side of the screen we have deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and of course you have your option where you can go and sign in. Also in the middle of the screen we have, as you can see, the option where you can go and book a flight. So now let's see how you can actually travel with a wheelchair on Jetstar Airways. So when booking your flight, let Jetstar know that you need wheelchair assistance. You can do this through the Jetstar website, their contact center, or travel agent. Indicate the level of assistance you need. Jetstar uses AATA codes to specify assistance levels. So you have the assistance from check-in to aircraft seat, assistance from check-in to aircraft steps, assistance from check-in to aircraft seat, including grid cabin. You just need to have an early check-in, so arrive at the airport early to allow time for check-in and assistance. You'll be one of the first to board the aircraft and will receive an individual safety briefing. Assistance will be provided from the aircraft to the baggage claim area at your destination. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.